Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the most fascinating creatures on our planet. Today, we're exploring an animal that's not only adorable but also has some incredible superpowers. Meet the axolotl, the Mexican walking fish that never grows up. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be as obsessed with these little guys as we are. Let's start with where these unique creatures call home. The axolotl is native to a single location in the world, Lake Xochimilco in Mexico. But don't let that small range fool you. This lake and its surrounding canals are like a hidden world, teeming with life. Imagine a crystal clear lake surrounded by lush, green vegetation. This is where axolotls thrive. They spend their entire lives in water, unlike most amphibians that eventually move to land. The water is cool, slightly alkaline, and filled with hiding spots like rocks and plants. Perfect for these shy little creatures to feel right at home. But did you know that these lakes are under threat? Urbanization and pollution have drastically reduced their habitat. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect the axolotl's home. It's a reminder of how crucial it is to preserve our natural world. Now, let's talk about what makes axolotls truly special, their lifestyle and habits. Axolotls are nocturnal hunters. When the sun goes down, they come to life, searching for food. Their diet consists of small fish, worms, and insects, which they hunt with a stealthy approach. But here's where it gets really interesting. Axolotls never undergo metamorphosis like other amphibians. That's right, they stay in their larval form throughout their entire lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means they keep their cute, feathery gills and continue to live underwater as if they were forever young. And if that wasn't cool enough, axolotls have a superpower. They can regenerate lost body parts. Lost a limb? No problem. They can grow it back, good as new. Scientists are studying this ability to learn more about regenerative medicine, which could one day help humans heal like axolotls. Let's dive into some fascinating facts about axolotls that you might not know. They're ancient. Axolotls have been around for millions of years, and they're considered to be living fossils. They've survived major changes on Earth that wiped out many other species. They're size chameleons. Most axolotls grow to about 9 inches, but some can reach up to 18 inches in the wild. Their size can vary depending on the environment and the availability of food. Colorful characters. While wild axolotls are usually a dark color to help them blend into their environment, captive axolotls come in a variety of colors, including white, golden, and even a mix of pink and blue. They're rare in the wild. Due to habitat loss and pollution, wild axolotls are critically endangered. There are more axolotls in captivity than in their natural habitat, which is why conservation is so important. So, why should we care about axolotls? Besides being incredibly cute, they're a symbol of how unique and fragile our world's ecosystems are. Protecting axolotls means protecting their entire habitat, which supports countless other species. Plus, they're helping us unlock medical breakthroughs that could change lives. That's it for today's deep dive into the amazing world of axolotls. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about fascinating creatures like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite animal superpower? We'd love to hear from you.